Hi everybody. We've been making a lot of cooking videos, but it's day 175 of quarantine, so I thought we could all use a drink. So we're gonna make a little margarita, or my version of a margarita. We're going to use lime, just a little bit of lime juice, and this is just for one margarita, but you can multiply certainly. And then we're going to put some cucumber, just a couple of these to garnish. And then a couple of these, oops, I have to get my mortar and pestle. And then we're gonna put just a little, oh, there's black pepper in here. Okay, a little black pepper will be great in this drink. So we're gonna put just a little bit of Persian cucumber. You can use any cucumber you want or have. A little bit of lime juice to get that going, and some mint leaves. And we're just going to muddle that together. And to make it a little spicy, in spite of the surprise black pepper in there, we're going to add just one little itty bitty chili that's been soaked in vinegar. These are Indian chilies, so be very careful. Use whatever chili you've got. So you can see it's just a mess, but it's a beautiful, delicious mess in there. And so you're going to put that in your shaker, help it a little. And so you don't waste any of that, just put a little bit to wash that out. And put it in there. And then of course a little agave. And we can't forget the tequila. And you also want to use more Pellegrino so you don't get too drunk. Okay. And there's a reason this thing is in here. Now you don't want to get too drunk, so drink responsibly. I think it needs a little more tequila though. Only the good stuff. Actually, fuck it.